Imagine typing a sentence and hearing it in your exact voice, like magic. Well, it's not magic, it's ElevenLabs. And today, I'm showing you how to clone your voice in just a few clicks. Ready to unlock this futuristic tech? Let's dive in. Step 1. Introduction to ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs is a cutting-edge AI-powered platform that focuses on voice cloning and generation. You can use it for audiobooks, videos, or even personal projects. It's fast, intuitive, and honestly kind of mind-blowing. Let me show you how to set it up. Step 2. Create an account. First things first, head over to ElevenLabs.io and create an account. Don't worry, it's quick and free to get started. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard full of voice-related options. But for now, we'll focus on cloning. Step 3. Upload the reference audio. Next, you'll need a voice sample. It could be your voice or someone else's, as long as it's clear and about a minute long. Click on the Voice Lab section. Then select Add Voice. Upload your sample. Name your voice and hit Generate. Easy, right? Step 4. Generate your clone voice. After uploading, the AI will analyze the sample and create a digital clone. This might take a minute, but once it's ready, you can test it out by typing any text and letting the AI speak it in the cloned voice. Step 5. Final touches and download. If you're happy with the result, you can download it or tweak it further using ElevenLabs settings. Play around with tone and style for even better results. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a voice with ElevenLabs. What will you use this for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.